In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate images in Google Slides. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here a slide, and I'd like to go ahead and animate this image such that it moves from left to right. To do so, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on Insert here, and then from this, scroll down until you see the option called Animation. Now, if I go ahead and click on Animation, we shall have another slide here for us to adjust animation as well as slide transition. So for my case, I want just to animate it, so I'll go ahead and click on this drop down arrow under Appear, and then choose the style of your animation. For my case, I said I want from left to right, so I'll click Fly Out to Right, or you can choose Fly In from left if you wish so. So because I want the image to move from left to right, I'll click on Fly Out to Right like that, and then I'll proceed and choose the option for the animation to begin. And here, if you click on drop down arrow, you can either animate start animation on click or after previous, or as well as with previous. Once I click on play, it will begin the animation. Now before you proceed, go ahead and choose the speed for your animation, and you can either choose it to be slow, medium, or fast. So let me choose medium, and I'm good to go. Now if I go ahead and click on play, I'll have to launch it by just clicking inside this slide like that, and it will animate. And look at that. So if I stop it, you can see it will come back again. But if I play and then click here, you can see it will animate and then fade out. So because I chose fly out to right, that's why it disappears on the right hand side whenever I play it. Now, should you feel that you want to change that animation, you can go ahead and stop it and then change the style. For instance, if I say maybe fly in from left, and then go ahead and make it much slower, and then play. And now I'll go ahead and click on it, and look at that. A transition has been applied. It will go ahead and stop right where it initially was. Should you want to add transitions, you can also do the same. And we have quite a number of them, like dissolve. So if we apply dissolve again here and then play, and now if I play it, you can see it animates, and that is it. So that's how you can add animations on your images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.